Hey, what's up internet? Tomas here. For those who don't know me, I'm a top-rated freelancer on Upwork and I made thousands of dollars video editing online, and I'm here to show you how you can too. So subscribe if that sounds interesting to you. And now let's jump into the video, right? I'm gonna show you how to transfer project file with Upwork client. Here is our file, right? That let's say the client send me a message. Hey, Tomas, can you send me a project file for the project called How to Transfer Project File with Upwork Client? Let's say I'm gonna go to the folder, right? I'm gonna go to Projects, Premiere Pro, right? Here is the project file from Premiere Pro. Yeah, let's say I'm gonna just drag and drop it to the Dropbox folder, right? Like this. Now it's here. I'm gonna send a link to the client, right? Yeah, he's gonna see this and he's gonna download it. Right, download. Yeah, let's put it to the downloads folder. And yeah, now let's move this to another folder, right? Let's say this is deleted. The client doesn't have this on his computer, right? He's gonna have just this project file which I sent him, right? Nothing else. So he's gonna open it, right? And let's see what's gonna happen. We got a pop-up on the screen, missing media file for these clips, right? And yeah, let's see what happened. Right, here is the missing media. And yeah, the client is gonna be like, oh my god, where is all the footage, right? What's happening? Right, so we need to send the client also the media files together with the project file, right? So it's not missing like in this case, right? So let's see how we can do that, right? There's actually two methods that I'm gonna show you. So let's delete this downloaded project file. And let's go back to the beginning, right? So this was a live demonstration. What's gonna happen if you're gonna send the client just the project file without the media files, right? He's gonna see all missing media files, and you do not want that. At least in most cases. Yeah. So let's see how you can. What you can do to avoid this problem, right? So the first thing you can do is just go and zip the whole folder, right? Yeah, let's just go and zip it. Right, now we got the zipped the whole folder structure, right, with all these media files, etc., right? So we're gonna just upload this zip file. Yeah, and there is in the zip file is gonna be included, right, this dummy footage together. So when the client is gonna open it, he's gonna see, right, there is no pop-up screen, right? So he's gonna see this. Yeah, he's gonna have this project file together with the media files. There is gonna be nothing missing, right? The disadvantage of this method is that in case you have some files outside of this folder structure, right? Yeah, let's say not all the files are in this folder, right? You got some media maybe in a general folder, right? Maybe some you downloaded some images and they are on the desktop. They are spread randomly on the computer, right? And it would be just too difficult to look for them. So yeah, I'm gonna show you a second method. You're gonna lose the file structure, but in case you got your file spread around the computer, this is gonna collect the files and put them into a new folder. So there is nothing missing. So let's see how we can do that, right? So this is the second method. Now we wanna go to File, Project Manager. Now we wanna select the sequence that we want to transfer with the client, right? So in this case it's dummy footage. We're gonna select collect files and copy to new location. Right here we've got some additional choices. You can select whatever you want. in my case I got selected just exclude unused clips. And yeah, and now we're gonna select a destination path. So I'm gonna select this folder here. All right, okay, clients Tomas Peter now, and now it's all exported. Let's see, go to folder Tomas Peter, right? And yeah, here it is copied. 15 how to transfer project file with Upwork client, right? Here it is. So here is the project file, here is the music, here is the text, here is the black image, yellow text, and yellow image, right? So yeah, the disadvantage is that we lost the folder structure, right? It's not organized, right? It's all in one folder, so that's the disadvantage of this method, right? But you are 100% sure that you get all the media from that sequence on one place, right? So yeah, now what I would do, right? I would just go again and zip this file, right? Like this, copy it, 15 how to transfer project with client, right? Go back to Dropbox, upload it here, right? Yep. And yeah, here it is, copied. How to transfer file with Upwork client, right? And now the client would download it and he would see it. So that's it from this video, guys. I'm gonna do a quick overview. So first of all, I showed you like the wrong method, how to do it, right? You just drag and drop the project file, right? And yeah, the client is gonna open it and it's gonna be missing files. So you don't want that. The second method was zip the whole folder structure. The advantage is that the client is gonna have all these folders, all the folder structure, footage, audio, graphics, assets, instructions, etc. Right? It's gonna be nicely organized and everything. But as I said, the disadvantage is that in case you get some media spread around the computer, it's not gonna be included, right? And the client might have still some missing files, right? So because of that, the most safe method is just how I showed you. Go to the Premiere Pro file, project manager, right? And yeah, collect files and copy to your location, right? So that's gonna give you the files that look like this, right? It's gonna put all the files at the one place from that sequence, collect them from your computer to one place nicely. But yeah, the disadvantage is that you lose the folder structure, right? What you could do is you could create it manually, right? Again, like new folder, yeah, right? Music, images, etc., right? So that's do these methods, how you can transfer files with a Upwork client. Hopefully this video was helpful. If you watched till now, comment below Dropbox. Comment below this video Dropbox if you watched till the end. And yeah, I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.